All right, let me show you why I love masks and multicolor. So I have this swatch that I've painted over here on the right, which has a bunch of color in it. And I'm just going to grab hard pastel brush right here. Hold down my touch modifier, this little circle at the bottom right. I can move it all around here and just grab an area that I like. Just make a new layer and just fill it randomly like this all around the head with that cool textured area. And I'm going to say mask layer contents. Okay. I'm going to hide part of what I'm seeing here. Using that same brush, so I can just do this. And I can try out some hairstyles, right? There we go. There's one. It's kind of cool. Reveal our work right there, okay? And then I can just duplicate that layer again, right? Hide this one. And I can come in here, go back to my mask, and I can now say reveal. Okay. So now maybe I want to actually add a bit of hair on the sides and round this out a little bit. Yeah, cool. Another hairstyle. All right. Well, we can duplicate it again, hide a bit more. So this time I'm going to keep it close to the head. Just try this. See how that looks. Okay. There's another option. And I think this time I'm going to reveal a bit more. And let's just do this. Just pop a little bun up there. Cool. Cool. Okay. That's why I love masks. They are non-destructive. All of my original stuff is still there. I haven't changed anything. I'm just showing or hiding what I want just to test things out.